Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gems Creates. Friends, I'm going to share with you another investment site that can provide you a lot of profit. It is a great AI investment quantitative website that can give you a huge amount of profit on a daily basis. You can invest on this project and you can earn huge amount of rebate on this site. So I will provide you all the details of earning, how can you make your money and how to earn your profit on the daily basis. So now I will tell you how can you join this network. Now we go toward our project. You can check here your all investments plans and all their marketing information are present here. You can check here they're all Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the market price is given in front of you. Binance Exchange, OKX Exchange. You can check here all the exchange prices are given in on this site. So here you can check. I will show you how can you log in your account. You can check here your all beneficial information will be provided to you here about this network. You can click on the link given in my description. I will share with you how can you join this project. You can check here the joining link will be provided to you in my description. You need to click on that link. You need to enter the email, enter the password here. You need to enter the password here again. Add the security password for your withdraw and deposit information. You can check here the Telegram and WhatsApp number will be entered here. Invitation code that will be given in my description. You must need to add that, so you need to just click on register now. When you click on it, your account will be registered. You need to click on the login now. You can check here the login information will be entered, email and password will be entered, and click on the login. So here you can check all the information about the site will be given in front of you, how to make money and how to earn profit. You can watch here, they're all upgrading information has been given in front of you. You can check here, they're all quantitative information is given to you. 12 US can provide you daily 2.6 to 18 US withdraw, and you can check here your all investments plans will be given here. About this network, you can check here, their all investments plans are given in front of you. You can deposit according to your wallet, and you can check here your all VIP's instructions are given in front of you. You can deposit 18 USDT, and you can also earn huge amount of profit on the daily basis. So friends, here you can check 10% on the level 1 members that can be invited by you, and you can check here the 3% on level 2 members and 2% on level 3 members. Debate will be given into your account. So you can check here the level rebates dividends are present here. 500 US can give you 5 US deposit besides the earning products. So here you can check your all deposit information has been given to you. Now you can check here more instructions of their earnings will be given to you here, how to make money and how to earn profit. You can check here the invitation portion is given in front of you. That is very important thing for your earning. You need to copy this link and you can paste it at your social platform that you are using it in your daily life, and you can earn huge amount of money on that daily basis. So here was the link information, and you can check here your all dividers of your rewards are present here. You can easily earn huge amount of profit on the daily basis. You can check here your all inviting friends, and all your rebates are given in front of you. 10%, 3% and 2% on your friends deposit. You can check here your all deposit and withdraw information has been given in front of you. You can check here your investments plans are present here. How can you invest in this project? You can check here your all investments earnings will be given in front of you. You can check here the smart investment and invest records are present here. You can invest according to your deposit amount. You can get your 25.8% rebate, 21.20% rebate, and you can check here the rebate is decreasing gradually according to your days or investments. You can invest for huge amount of time and you can earn huge profit on the daily basis. Now you can check here the quantitative portion is given in front of you. How can you earn profit? You can check here all quantifying information has been given to you here. You can check the VIP instructions are present here. According to the VIP, you can earn huge amount of profit and rebate on this network. You can check here your all earning tips are present here. VIP instructions are given in front of you, how to make money and how to earn profit. All your investments plans will be given here in about according to this site. So you can need to click on the product link so that you can easily join the network. Now you can check here the VIP instructions are present here. All your investments plans are given in front of you, and you can check here your all informations of earnings will be given in front of you about this site. So here you can check the agent corporation recharge portion and withdraw portion is given to here. You need to click on the recharge button. You can watch here the recharging information is given to you. You need to click on the copy the link and you can paste it into your wallet. You can select the USDT TRC20. You can check here your all investments plans and benefits will be given according to this network. So I have told you about the deposit information. You need to copy this address and you can watch here that USDT TRC20 cannot be added without any information of other assets. You just have to deposit USDT TRC20. So other assets cannot be added to your account. You need to watch here. I will show you how can you deposit. You need to click on the recharge button. You need to select the USDT TRC20. You can watch here the send button will be given in front of you. You need to paste your address and enter the amount here, how much amount you need to enter. So all the amount information will be given to you here. You need to enter the amount here. Minimum amount can be deposited 12 US and click on the send button. After that, your transaction will be confirmed. Amount will be added into your account in few seconds, and you need to click on recharge completed must. You must click on recharge completed, otherwise you cannot get your benefits into your wallet. So here you can check the recharge will be completed and my VIP will be opened. Here you can check my account balance is present here 12 US. Now you can click on the quantitative button. So here you can check. I will show you the quantitative portion. You need to watch here the quantifying button is given here. You need to click on the start quantify. Here you can check the quantification is going to be under process. According to this network, you will get your benefit into your account in just few seconds. So here you can check the quantification is going to be under process as it has been completed successfully. And you can watch here 2.6696 USDT has been added into my account. So now I will show you my balance. Here you can check my account balance is present 1049.66 US. So you can watch the withdraw portion will be given here. I'll show you how can you withdraw your account. You need to click on the withdraw button. You can watch here the benefits will be added into your wallet in few seconds. You can watch here the withdraw portion will be given to here. You can watch all investments plans will be given to here. You need to enter the Tron address, enter your amount, enter the password and click on the confirm button. After the confirmation, amount will be added. I will show you how can you withdraw your balance now. So here you can check. I'm going to show you the withdraw portion. You need to click on the withdraw button. I have already shared with you how can you withdraw. You need to watch here. The address will be entered here. Tron TRC20 receiving address will be copied from your wallet. You can select the USDT TRC20. You can watch here. The USDT will be selected here. All the information about the site will be given to you. TRC20 receiving address will be copied from your wallet. And you can check here. It will be pasted into my account. So balance will be received into my wallet in few seconds. You can check here the amount will be entered here. What is the limit? Minimum amount is 2 years 36.6696. So now you can enter your security password and you need to click on the confirm button. So here you can check confirmation has been done successfully. Now you can receive it into your wallet in few seconds. You can check here the withdrawal has been done successfully and you can receive it into your wallet in next few seconds. I will show you whether I have received or not into my account. So all the benefits of earnings will be given in front of you about this networking. So here we will go toward our wallet to check whether the amount has been received or not. You can check here into my wallet. 37.6696 USDT has been successfully deposited into my account. So it is a great site that is providing you instant cash into your account and you can earn huge amount of profit on the daily basis. All your investments, plans and benefits are present here. It is a great and huge investment and earning website. So if you like this video, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, and also you can join this site for earnings so that you can earn huge amount of profit on that daily basis.